Coin+Card+QR ATM. Volume Edit Setting. This is Initiative's Coin+Card+QR ATM, and we are going to see the settings of volume edit as per our requirement. Press enter and go to quick settings with the help of up or down keys. Press enter when the cursor is on quick setting. Read the instructions on display. Place MasterCard. In quick settings, go to volume edit option with the help of down key and press enter. In this volume edit setting, we can set volume in liters and milliliters. We can set maximum 4 volumes. Press enter to select the first volume. For example, we will set 1000 liters in this first volume. With the help of up, down and right keys, set volume as 1000.0. Press enter to set the first volume and select the second volume. In second volume, if we want to set 45 liters and 500 milliliters, then set volume as 0045.5. Press enter to set the second volume and select the third volume. In third volume, if we want to set 4 liters and 700 milliliters, then set volume as 0004.7. Press enter to set the third volume and select the fourth volume. In fourth volume, if we want to set 1 liter and 400 milliliters, then set volume as 0001.4. Press enter to set the fourth volume. Press back button to save the settings of all volumes and exit from settings. Settings done for the volume edit setting. Thank you.